Hello, welcome to Fast Forward EVs. Today we're revisiting the Ikea site that is now opened with Electrify America chargers. So even though it's not Sunday, this is a Sunday Charger Challenge update. I just got notification last night from Electrify America that the Ikea near me, their EA station, is now open. I last visited it about 2 months ago, I think, and took them a long time to turn it on. I was beginning to wonder if they were going to turn it on before the end of the year. But they have, and now we're heading there with two goals in mind. We plug in and checking for two things. One, does plug and charge work, even though it's, I know they're Electrify America chargers, but they're on Ikea's property, and there's some kind of deal where these are somehow Ikea's chargers. So it's kind of a new model for EA, but I'm assuming that plug and charge will work on my trusty ID.4. And second of all, that my ID.4 free charging plan, which runs through the end of this year, will be honored. Speaking of VW, let's dip into this dealership right here and see how many ID.4s they got. I think I saw that they had a bit of a bumper crop of them. I hear it's selling well again, which is good news for VW, I guess. Maybe that'll encourage them to bring, a second EV to America of the 12 they make for Europe. A lot of Taos is bumper crop of those for sure. But yeah, over here they've got a row of ID.4s. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Shall we go in this way? Let's give it a try. There they are. All lined up pretty in a row. Nobody else here. Authorized. That sounds good. Welcome, Scott. ID.4 charging plan. So yeah, getting 93 kilowatts currently. 80%. That's pretty good. Got back in the car and the infotainment has rebooted for some reason. Would like to note that some cars like it hot, and this ID.4 is no exception. 96 degrees out. I've driven 75 miles at highway speed. I'm getting 4 miles per kilowatt hour in this car. I think that's unheard of previously. So yeah, just another 11 minutes or so, and we are charged up to 80%. Awesome. Also, there had been a question regarding these fleet chargers, whether they were level 2 or DC fast charging. Those do look like DC fast charging handles. So here, even right up to the end, near 80%, we're pulling 83 kilowatts still. It's been extremely flat from 50 to 80%. Okay, well that's 80%. And we are off. So I can now come here, near 11 miles from my home, to charge if I need to. And it'll be free till the end of the year. Still very happy to see a new EA station go in, especially so close to home, and at a cool place like Ikea.